Package dimensions, 55.88 h x 38.1 liters x 50.8 w, centimeters. Country of origin, China. Package weight, 19.958 kilograms. Designed with the user and installer in mind. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent double din surround. For the money, if you have a C5 Corvette, you're not going to find a cheaper option for your radio bezel that will fit a double din in it. Fitment is very good. I think the finish looks good, but it doesn't match stock, which is the knock on this unit versus going with vettenuts $400 competitor. For $200 difference, I'm good with the finish. My Sony AX200 unit fits like a glove with no gaps around the bezel. Side note to be aware of, there is a little bit of work such as drill out 8 rivets for the metal bracket base under the stock stereo and climate control to allow relocation of the climate control and fitment of the double din. The steps required are spelled out in the included directions. Pick up the right angle drill if you don't have one to drill out the rivets.